All right, we're going to do one more quick example here to get you warmed up. So this time again, what we're going to do, since we are using DataPool scene settings, again, we need to go into our scene plugins. We're going to drag the DataPool in there. This time we're going to use a little rotation, so let's grab some type of geometry. So I'm just going to use the Torus here. Again, just drop some type of material on it. We'll go back into our built-ins, into the container plugins, and go into data rotation here. So let's take our data rotation and drag it onto the Torus. I'm going to go into the data rotation plugin. Up in the field name, we can call this anything we want. I'm just going to call it rot. We're going to tell it in the format here which way do we want it to rotate. If you're not sure, you can always come into the transformation axis and just rotate one of these things just to see which way your object will rotate. Let's go back into our rotation or data rotation here. In our format, let's say we want it to rotate on the Y. If you want to use the Viz Send command module, again, you can do that. So let's jump over, and before we do that, let's go to on air mode. So here we have our Viz Send module, and again, since we already have our command typed in there, all we need to know is the particular field name that we gave this. So I gave it rot, and we just need to type rot equals however much we want it to rotate. Again, 89. We can give it any variable. We hit send, and it rotates 89 degrees. If we jump out of on air mode and go into the scene settings, you can see that the rot here equals 89, and this is where it received the data. Quickly, if you make any type of change in here, it's going to update, so we can type in anything we want, and it now affects our scene.